Okay, so we're going to go ahead and blend images in Photoshop. So first off, go ahead and pick 3 of your favorite images that you want to go ahead and get. And then you'll go ahead and go to this screen. You're going to make sure they're all on the same page. Don't go to 3 separate tabs. Then you'll go ahead and go over, make sure that you click off on at least the top 2, so that way you can see what's going on. So for this top one, go ahead and click that. Then you click normal and screen. After you do that, that's just your first layer. Go to second layer. You'll go to change second layer, right, to luminosity. So same thing, go to normal, except we're going to click luminosity instead. Then afterwards, we're going to go ahead and go to the next page. And as you can see, it looks a little different. That's because we're going to go ahead and go into opacity, which is right here. Go ahead and click on it, and this bar will come up. You slide it down to 27%, which is what I did. And then what's going to happen is you are going to get this image as soon as you click on this icon here, which is just what happened. And so now we see that we get this nice blended image from 2 different photographs, along with the background. And just some fun tips and tricks for you. If you look over here, these are all of the things you can do to make your life a little bit easier. What you do is after you click on one of your layers, you can go ahead and press Shift plus or minus. It will help you just kind of browse through each one instead of clicking on normal and then darken and then normal or multiply to see what they look like. You can just go to like plus or minus and go through all of them very quickly, just to make things a little bit easier for you. Also, if you guys did not notice, I took this one right here of me filming a video and I put it on top instead of the bottom. If you shift the layers and put them in a different order, it actually changes how it looks. So those are just some fun tips and tricks for you all. Also, another fun tip and tricks is if you press Shift before you put the layers and the pictures in. If you press Shift and then drag them in, they'll actually go straight to the center of the screen instead of going off to the right or left. Well, that's it, and that's how you go ahead and blend images. Have fun, and just go ahead and play around with things. I mean, there's just 3 different images that I had that I thought would be fun to play around. But yeah, definitely go ahead. I'd encourage you to play around with it. It can do so many variety of things. Have fun.